Buckle up because today we're diving into an automotive marvel. Lexus and Adidas join forces to celebrate Marvel Studios' Black Panther, Wakanda Forever, with a mind-blowing customized Lexus RX 500h. Adidas has woven its magic, giving the all-new Lexus RX a Wakanda Forever makeover. Imagine a tribal print in Wakandan purple, a hood with a diamond pattern inspired by Black Panther's iconic claw necklace, and even Wakandan alphabet characters on the F Sport and Lexus badges. And there's more. Step inside this automotive masterpiece, crafted with the brilliance of Adidas S.E.E.D students. Guided by Lexus Kelty Design Research, they've designed a futuristic interior with carbon DLS technology. That's right, 3D printing by carbon, using breakthrough digital light synthesizing tech. Rev your engines for the Lexus RX 500h Vibe-Branium, a fusion of automotive excellence, Wakandan style, and cutting-edge technology by carbon and DLP. Smash that like button, share the excitement, and subscribe for more thrilling car customizations. This is Wakanda on wheels, forever. Are these your kind of wheels? Let us know in the comments.